With the Insights plugin, which you can see on the left, there's the light version and the pro version, and you can look in here and see what's included and what's not included. We're using the light version. In the pro version, you can pay and get some features that may or may not be important, so you can check that and see which you'd prefer. Then to see what's happening, you'd go to reports. Now, I just added this, so there's not going to be any reports. It's going to be at least 24 hours before there's anything to look at. But what you'll be able to see is sessions, which is where people went to the website. You'll be able to see page views. It'll show you what pages they looked at, how long they stayed on pages, bounce rate, how quickly they left the website, if they're new customers, first-time visitors, or returning, what countries they're from. And then the top 10 referrals, this is pretty important. This would be if they came from your Facebook page to your website, it'll show it here. If they came from your Instagram to your website, it would show it here. If they did a Google search, it would show it there. So you'll know how the people are getting there, and then the top pages that they're viewing will be listed here. So you'll have all kinds of information about where people are coming from, what they're looking at.